I have made this calendar in Excel without any VBA, and you can scroll through different years and the dates will be changed accordingly. This is an infinite calendar which you can use up to any year. As an added feature, the current date, month and the day of the week will be displayed here at the right top or at any place that you want. If you want to see how I have made this calendar, watch this video till the end without skipping. I will show you step by step how to make this without any coding. So let's start. First we will create the environment. The starting year here I am keeping 2024, but we will provide a spin button to increase or decrease the year without typing it. For that we need to go to the developer tab. If you don't have the developer tab in the ribbon, you can go to customize the ribbon by right clicking on the ribbon, and from here you can check on the developer option and go to the insert option, click on the spin button. Here draw a spin button, right click on this, go to format control, keep the current value as 2024 and the cell link will be the cell where the year is being displayed. Hit enter twice, and now if you click on the spin button, the year being displayed is increasing or decreasing. Now we will create the months. 1st January, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Let's middle align all of them, select them and reduce the width. We will have 4 months in a row and there will be 3 rows. So this kind of a format we will have for the columns adjacent to it. Here will be February and all these days will also be there. Similarly here will be March. We need more columns. This will be March and this will be April. Similarly, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All the 12 months are now created. We will do a little formatting here. All the formattings are done, and now we will get the dates, the main thing. And for that we will take the help of the sequence formula. The formula is sequence. We will distribute the dates in 7 columns because there are 7 days in a week and there will be 6 rows. So 6, 7, for the start date we will take the help of the date value function. Date value of date text. The date text will be January with an ampersand operator, that year, month, ampersand operator, year. So here this January and 2022 will be the date value. Note one thing, date value January 2022 will give the date of 1st January 2022, but we need here the exact date which falls on a Sunday. So for this we will deduct the weekday of the same date value, this ampersand this, and add 1 to it. We'll close the bracket and hit enter. Some unreadable text has appeared. If we increase the width of the columns, we will see the numbers corresponding to the dates present here. To convert them into the date, select all of them, press Ctrl 1, go to the number tab, click on custom, and go to the bottom, click on D. If D is not present there, you can type it also, click on OK. So you can see that all the dates are now readable as we see in the calendars. We are centrally aligning all the dates, and this similar operation we can do for all of the months. And for that we need to fix this E2 cell because this is the year for all the months. So with $2 we are fixing the year cell. And this formula we will copy for all the months with a simple Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Now all the dates are populated for all the months. One issue is that even the dates outside the month's range are being displayed. And for this we need to have one conditional formatting. We need to just select all of the dates, go to conditional formatting under the home tab, select new rule and click on use a formula to determine which cells to format. And here we need to check whether the month of this particular date, let us remove the dollars with F4 pressing thrice, is not equals to the month, which is the B5 in this case. And since this is a text, to convert it to a month value we need to add 1 ampersand and 1. Let us close the bracket. If this condition is true, then the background we will change to white and the font color will also be changed to white. Let us click on OK. Now you can see that only those dates which pertains to this particular month are shown and the remaining days are hidden. So we can do the same operation for all the months. The month function returns the serial number of the month starting from 1 for January, 2 for February, 3 for March and so on up to 12 for December. And that is the function we are taking the help for deciding what will be the font and back color for any particular date to be shown on the calendar. Check off the grid lines and the headings and the formula bar. Our calendar is now ready. If you want that the current date at the day of the week will be displayed in your calendar, you can go to Insert, go to Illustrations, click on Shapes and insert 3 shapes. Get your date of today with the today function in 3 cells. Beside your calendar. For the first one, select it, go to Ctrl 1, go to Customs and select D. Click on OK. It will display only the day of the current date. For the second one, again press Ctrl 1, go to Custom and select MMM. Click on OK. It will show you the month of the current date. For the third one, again press Ctrl 1, go to custom and select the DDD option from here. Click on OK and it will show you the weekday of the current date. So these three will connect to the three shapes that we have created. For the first one, we will select it and put the formula of connecting. Please hit enter. For the second one, we will connect to the next cell, hit enter. For the third one, we will select the third cell and hit enter. Now we can format as we want. Select these three shapes, go to shape format and from align them middle. So now your full-fledged calendar is ready and you can scroll through the years in future. If you have liked this video, please share it with someone who also may like it, and please subscribe to our channel if you have not done it already. Thanks for watching. Let's catch up in the next video.